This video is sponsored by Model3Part.com. For all the latest and greatest Tesla Model 3 accessories, visit Model3Part.com.
All right, everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today was a huge day for Tesla. Their stock finally surpasses $500 a share. I did a little poking around to try and find an article that was sort of worth reading as to why they believe and what pushed the stock over the edge. And I found this article by Brian Deegan from Investors Business Daily. I would like to share that with you at this time, just to give you some foundation as far as the reasons why they believe the stock is at its level today and where they see this going. So let's jump right in and take a look at what Brian had to say. So Brian Deegan wrote online today about the huge gains for Tesla, and this is what he had to say. And I quote, "The ability of Tesla to take big risks, innovate, and learn from its mistakes are among the reasons an equity analyst on Monday hiked his price target on Tesla stock to the highest level on Wall Street." Woohoo! Tesla stock jumped 9.8%, closing at an all-time high of $524.86 on the market today. They believe that the company's risk tolerance, ability to implement learnings from past errors, and larger ambition than peers are beginning to pose an existential threat to transportation companies that are unable or unwilling to innovate at a faster pace. So it went on further to say an Oppenheimer analyst, Colin Rusch, raised his price target on Tesla to 612 from 385, which is a 16.6 premium from where Tesla stock closed today. And he went on further to say, while Tesla has stumbled through growing pains, which we've all felt, they believe the company has reached critical scale sufficient to support sustainable, positive cash flow. That's a big deal. And it went on further to say that the Tesla stock has more than doubled since October 23rd, the day before it jumped more than 17% on an earnings-fueled gap up. The stock continued to surge as the company delivered its first China-made Model 3 sedan, another woohoo. It also revealed more details about the upcoming Model Y, which is the compact SUV, and Tesla says that the Shanghai plant has reached a production rate of 1,000 units per week, and it expects to raise that to about 3,000 units per week. Tesla competes with a wide range of companies that are playing catch-up in the electric car field. This includes NIO, as well as General Motors, Ford, and other global giants such as BMW and Mercedes. Tesla's up here. Everybody isn't even, they're not even in the picture. That's how low they are. They also believe that Tesla has key advantages in powertrain design, battery technology, driver assistance, fleet size, roadmap to energy independence offerings, and consumer enthusiasm that can translate into material operating leverage, share gains, and market disruption as renewable and autonomy trends accelerate. What? All right, so that is awesome information, and it's nice to see that other people are starting to see where Tesla is going and why everybody was so hot on Tesla, well, at least us enthusiasts anyway, about where they are today from where they were in the past. I mean, there is just no other manufacturer even close to competing with Tesla from that perspective. And I think they really wrapped it up all well. The fleet size, battery technology, powertrain technology, energy, and their brand market. You know, us who believe in Tesla are us loyal enthusiasts who will continue to support them. But what they didn't even really talk about is the steady appeal and the strong market for the Tesla Model 3, as well as the S and the X. And once the Model Y hits this spring or late summer, if Tesla can really hold true to that, that is just going to skyrocket them further. And what it also doesn't talk about is the Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi that are going to be coming up in, let's just say, 2021, and even if it happens to stretch into 2022. Tesla is doing things that nobody else is doing, and it's exactly what Brian said. They're far beyond in their innovation and their ability to move outside of that box, right? And they're just doing things that other manufacturers are unwilling to do. So that is really setting Tesla apart. And now that they have sustained a production rate and they've figured out all the production issues, and, you know, we may see some more of that when the Model Y comes out, but I think that they understand some of the challenges that they've had, producing the Model 3, and Tesla will be better off because of those hurdles and things that they had to go through, those challenges, I should say, that they had to go through during the production of the Model 3. Hopefully they get that all worked out with the Model Y. I think the Cybertruck may have its own unique challenges ahead of them, but this really poises Tesla to do well, and I think that the stock will continue to climb. Now, I am no way, shape, or form an analyst or am telling you to buy or sell or whatever. I'm just saying what I feel is going to happen is stock's going to go up to $800 here in the near future, and maybe at that point we'll see a split or some dividends or something along those lines. Congratulations, Tesla. What an awesome way to ring in the new year. Over $500 a share right now, and it will continue to grow. Everybody, thank you so much for tuning in, and Brian Deegan, thank you so much for your input and your article this afternoon. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We'll catch you on the next one.